or get your top hit. Cleaning crew, we pull out with the mop sticks. I can let my demons loose, we riding, don't get caught sick. Really, I believed in you, it turned out that you not shit.
What is up, you guys? Whiplash from Mineralogy and signing in with yet another $1 Million video. Tonight, I'm gonna be pretty much giving up a little follow-up on what's going on with the GonSHITevo shit. Fortunately, I was actually able to get my refund, my full refund. Well, it was actually already sent out, but half of it already received, the other half came from a firm. That shit was sent no later than 24 hours after he got that that little diss snippet, or that diss video that I released, or that exposed video that I released. I'm gonna keep pushing this, honestly, just because, like, yo, there's still so many people out there that are still going through some bullshit when it comes to these people, and they're not getting their refunds. And even besides that, homie posted a weird ass response to the video that I dropped not too long ago. And this is the thing I kind of find hilarious. So this is the post that he put. I don't follow him on social media at all, but any kind of dumbass shit that they post, if I happen to see it, I'm gonna troll. I'm just gonna troll. This is how you clap back to all the haters. Haters, okay. I found that hilarious. Niggas is hating on you because they want to get their money or their turbo kits back that they paid for over a year. And because people are critiquing and calling you out for scamming niggas, they're hating on you. You're scamming. You are scamming. A scammer. S-C-A-M-M-E-R. Scammer. You are a scammer. You're a scammer, my nigga. And because people are responding and upset that you're scamming them out of thousands of dollars, not hundreds, thousands. You're calling them out because they're mad that you're scamming? They're hating? All right, bro. Why you guys talk about me on Facebook and social media hoping I'm out of business, make YouTube videos saying someone's going to shoot me? I show up and go to work. Yeah, you go to work, all right. You work and you don't deliver. You work, you make the product, but you don't deliver. You collect the money, you work on the product, but you don't ship it out. You don't ship it out. I show up and go to work, keep hating and keep messaging me disrespectful stuff. It's all easy behind a phone screen, and I'll keep working. It's that simple. This may anger some people. Hashtag certified scammer, which I find hilarious because it's like, you say people are hating on you, right? But as you say that, you're also blocking the comments, so the people that you're actually scamming can't respond. So it makes it seem like people are hating on you, but if people are really hating on you, why don't you just open up your comments on your Instagram? If people are just hating, why don't you just open up your comments so people can give a good positive review on your customer service that you supply to your customers, right? I find that hilarious. The reason why, because you know damn well what niggas is gonna say, bro. You know damn well what niggas gonna say. Niggas gonna clown your punk ass, bro. Like, and a lot of people are getting at admin tuning in my last video. They're getting at admin or getting at Monsef because they're like, why is he promoting him? I don't really think Monsef is necessarily promoting him. I think honestly, like, he's my tuner. I would say, and I'm a really blunt person, I'm gonna keep it a bean. I would say it is a little weird. And I'll say it's a little weird because if you know this person is scamming your customers, you know they're scamming your customers, why are you engaging with their posts? Like, these people this nigga has scammed at least 20 of your customers, bro. Why are you engaging with their posts? Like, you're beefing with Soho, you probably beef with other tuners too as well. I guess that's more personal because they made an attack on you. But I mean, I kind of understand, like, I'm not really faulting him for not, you know, saying anything out loud. He doesn't have to, you know, he's not obligated to, honestly, to keep it a bean. He really isn't. But if I was in his shoes, I would definitely unfollow GonSHITevo, and I would tune their cars, like tune kits that are on cars for customers, but I'm not liking their posts. I'm not following them because I don't follow them as individuals, because I'm in a business, they're a business, and I don't follow their business model. I don't follow how they do business. I don't follow how they get down. So as a business, I'm not gonna follow them. Now, if this is like my personal Instagram and I might, you know, have a personal relationship with this person, that's a little different. But if I'm on my business Instagram, I'm not gonna follow another business because I don't inspire to do business like them. So that's just how I would care. That's why I think it's a little weird. But then again, he's his own individual, he's his own person. And I mean, technically he's not obligated to do shit. So I can't really get on him for that, right? But that being said, I'm pretty sure he knows that these niggas be on some fuck shit, because he literally said himself that he's not affiliated with them at all. Cool, whatever. Back to GonSHITevo Motorsports. This is the thing, bro. The thing that I just find hilarious, like I already said before, You know niggas, you know you scamming niggas. The reason why you don't want to open up your comments, you know niggas gonna be exposing you left and right. I just think it's fucking funny because it's like, I never made a video how I ain't even say I was gonna shoot you. I didn't say I was gonna hurt you, my boy. I didn't say I was gonna do nothing. All I'm saying is that there's people out there that definitely will. For sure. They most definitely will. And you're talking about thousands of dollars. They most definitely will take that trip and fly out there and do something to you. You are an idiot. You are stupid. You are green as hell to think that that's not gonna happen. But then again, that also reminds me how pussy car niggas are. A lot of these car niggas, I'm sorry. I'm from a different world. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I'm a hood nigga, 'cause I'm not, but I'm from a different world, bro. Like, a lot of these car niggas, bro, especially the niggas that get money from their parents, niggas that don't know how to get in the mud and make their own bread, they're a pussy. They're not gonna speak up. They're just gonna take the L and keep it pushing, bro. If they saw GonSHITevo, if they saw this nigga, whatever the fuck this nigga's name is in person, I forgot the nigga name, but if they see this nigga in person, they're not gonna, most likely not gonna say nothing, bro. They're probably gonna call the cops. Niggas? I'm not gonna say I'm one of them. I'm just gonna say niggas will definitely do something they see him in person, for sure. And if this was like a pair of shoes, you would have been handled. This nigga would have been handled if this was a pair of shoes. This was a pair of shoes in the Syria community. This is a pair of like Amiri jeans. If this was, you know, something like a little different, then you would have been got dealt with. You know, the nigga would have been got dealt with. But because we talking about cars, and there's a lot of niggas that aren't about that, a lot of niggas that won't stand up for themselves to that extent, of course he feels so comfortable that niggas ain't gonna do shit, because niggas really ain't gonna do shit. Motherfuckers ain't gonna do shit. Nigga, they's gonna say sorry dad or not tell their dad and mom and try to get another 10 bands from them to buy another turbo kit from another nigga. I'm already about to work with the one company to get a turbo kit. And actually, at first, this really turned me off from getting a turbo kit, because I was just like, bro, like, I'm just gonna put this money into buying my house. There's so many niggas out here, I don't care to have the fastest Z in the world, bro. Because a lot of these niggas that have these turbocharged cars, bro, they're still making payments on their cars. They still live with their parents. They're still living check to check. Like, that's not gonna be me. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 cars, both of them are heavily modified. I had the money for a turbo kit, obviously, because I bought one. I just got the refund for it. So it's like, I could get it, but I'm not, because what I'm gonna do is put my money towards a house, towards some property, so I can build up some real estate. I'll go back and buy the turbo kit later. But currently, I'm kind of working with a couple companies right now to kind of just put my foot in the soil, so I can get some ground, you know, build some relationships, like how I did with Flyboy Motorsports. And you know, in the future, probably later this year, I'll get a turbo kit. But for right now, I'm good off that. I got sent, shout out to bro, but I got sent the most hilarious memes with this punk ass nigga scamming turbo kits and shit. I just find hilarious. But yeah, I'm just giving a little update as far as right now. I'm definitely going to be posting a lot more pictures and a lot more videos on both cars. I really got to get a GoPro for, you know, my forehead and shit like that, or a mount, so I can give some POV driving for my Deborah X hatch and also my Z, and put some more content out on this channel. I have like 6 channels, so it's really hard to maintain content consistently on all channels when I shoot and edit all videos by myself. It's not easy. Anyways, besides that, I get my Z back, I think, tomorrow. Hello. Yeah, my girl calling me. It's just a lot of bullshit, bro. I just really feel bad for the people that are really going through everything. I'm thankful and I'm blessed that I was able to get my money back. Bro, honestly, if you guys want a shot at getting your money back, bro, either file, you know, lawsuits, or like I mentioned before in the last video, or just drop videos on these niggas, bro. Just expose these niggas, bro. I'm telling you, just drop videos on these niggas. If you got a fucking iPhone, if you got a fucking an iToy for a PlayStation 2, it don't matter what the fuck you got, nigga. You got a fucking, I don't, nigga, it don't matter, nigga. You got a fucking Atari for all I care about, nigga. Drop some fucking videos on these punk ass niggas, bro. And this specific punk ass nigga, bro. Drop a video on this nigga, bro. Like, I'm telling you, they're not, bro, if there is 4 videos alone on YouTube, 4 Quattro. There are 4 videos alone on YouTube talking bad about these niggas with receipts. Bro, ain't nobody gonna be buying shit from them, bro. There's already one video. I already did it for y'all. Like, post videos, expose these niggas, bro. They might give you your money back. I'm telling you, expose their other fabricating company with the powder coating. Expose both of that shit. GonSHITevo Motorsports, bro. No GonZ, nigga. GonSHIT. Shit has gone bad, bro. Shit has gone shit. Shitty ass customer service, shitty ass company, shitty ass brand, bro. Thank God I did not buy a turbo kit from these niggas, bro. Praise the Lord, Jesus Christ. I would have been so embarrassed rocking their kit on my car, a full carbon fiber Z with a full carbon fiber front end. Not no punk ass, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders. No, full carbon bumper, carbon lip, carbon splitters, carbon fenders, carbon over fenders, carbon hood. Like, full carbon front end, bro. I'm not gonna build a car like that from people that give me great customer service, that I work very closely with. I'm not gonna put a shitty ass turbo kit, try to make 700-800 wheel on a built motor with twin Hellcat pumps with a shitty ass branded turbo kit, bro. No, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna work with people that are some good people. And you are a bitch ass nigga. And I'm not saying this because, you know, like, I'm being like, nigga, you are a bitch ass nigga. Like, like, for real. Like, dead ass serious. But, you know, that being said, thank you for giving my money back, sir bitch ass nigga. I appreciate you, sir bitch ass nigga, from GonSHITevo Motorsports. You're very much appreciated. I will be using these funds to buy my first house. Not apartment. House. And I'll use the other money just for investments, I guess. Trust me, I'm trying to become, I made my first 100,000. I made my first 6 figs before I was 25. Now I'm trying to make my first million before I'm 30. So I got other things I'd much rather do with that money that was used for that turbo kit. That being said, peace, love, and positivity like always. This is Whiplash from $1 Million Dreams. Sign out yet another $1 Million video. All my social media and all my other YouTube channels are in the description box down below. That being said, post it, drop them fucking videos so I get y'all fucking money back, bro. If we gotta make a group chat on Instagram and just troll this nigga, bro, and just all drop videos at once and tag this bitch ass nigga, bro, then maybe we can all get all y'all money back, bro. For real. For real. But that being said, y'all, I'm out.
Now that you not shit, moving on, that's easy too. Quit acting like I'm not rich. Fuck these IG hoes, I'd rather have a block bitch. She been playing on my heartstrings like a guitar pick. I know a broken heart.